Hey guys, welcome to my channel Scary Videos with Aaron, and today we are going to react to a new video, Temple Run Volcano Island in real life by Shadow Authority. And guys, this looks really awesome. Let's just go to the reaction. I actually just 16.7 meters. Going to Imagine Studios. And that's so cool. Ways to unlock something. Who has a car? Imagine every thief would have like that. Then, well, it will be so easy to steal anything. Oh, look, this is even in Mangitsu. Oh. On the right, I guess those are the new people in the game. Five 5.32 meters. Oh, there it is. Why was he looking at the track all the time? He was just near it. Cool looking place, however. Oh. Siren sounds. Oh. That animation looks cool. Looks like that's a guardian. Looks like he also has some people behind him too. Just do something quick, or else you will be down to the... Oh. The demon monkey is... Looks like every single person is legally 4 people as this gets inside. Oh, that's a place to look. There's really 4 people in that place. It almost looks like 3. Yeah, one is dead. Looks like just 3 get inside it. The other one must have just get scared and not get scared. My God, not about this place. Oh, another person dead. What about the other person who was following him? Shield. Is he using the shield now? Oh. Oh. Now he's in the true Temple Run.
Hey guys, I had the opportunity to visit Imanji Studios, the makers of Temple Run, and meet their team and even shoot a video with them. I also got the chance to sit with them and ask a few questions about their new Volcano Island map. Here it is.
Oh, that's so cool.
With the Volcano Island map.
There wasn't any direct inspiration for the map.
So these are the creators of the Volcano Island, and
dragons or fire or anything fantasy-like. So we wanted to do something totally different than the other maps. So
yeah.
Volcano.
What do you think players would find most exciting about the map?
Well, I think that the best thing about working on a new Temple Run map is exploring the possibilities of expanding the universe and world of Temple Run. Seeing the hidden dangers that go along with it and exploring new landscapes is probably what I enjoy the most.
That's kind of true.
What was the most challenging thing about making the Volcano Island map?
I think one of the challenges that we didn't expect was the fact that it's such a different color palette. We really had to step back and think what it makes it easiest for the player to see. Can they still understand exactly which way to go and what their cues, but still provide that challenge and suspense that...
That's kind of looks true.
You are releasing the Volcano Island map with Christmas. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, we are. So, do you know that saying Christmas in July? Well, we're
Yeah.
going that same approach, except that we're switching it. We're bringing the heat to the holiday season. So, we're going to bring a ton of Christmas and holiday elements to the Volcano Island. And you may not want to wear a jacket in this game. You probably want to go a little bit thinner layers for that.
Take the idol
And guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and ring the notification bell. For now, bye. Well, again, that video was really easy.